Hello everyone, this video is regarding the text alignment. We are going to see how many ways we can align the text and what are the importance of these alignment and how can we do it. And we can see the practical implementation as well. So we can align our text in a three position, basically left, right and a center. And we can go through it and we can check out what are the functions we require to do it. Okay, so first one is the left, that's the ljust. In this we are having a syntax like string dot ljust, and in function we can provide the width, the total amount of width which our text is supposed to be, and the fill character. In a ljust method we have the two parameters. First is width, second one is fill character. Width is a means mandatory one and the fill character is optional one. So if we are not putting a fill char, so by default fill char would be the space. So width we can give it, and the condition is that if width is less than equal to the length of the string, the original string is returned. So what's its perspective? We can go through an example and then we can be more clear about this point. Suppose if we have an example of, we are considering the txt equal to hello python and we are giving it in a print function that txt.ljust is 30 and we are giving the hash symbol. So what happened here, that 30 is the total length, means the total length where we want the alignment. So in 30 whatever the text we have, the text goes to left hand side and the remaining spaces or the places which is left will be filled with the hash symbol. Okay, so we can run it and we get the desired result as well. And let's see the right side. Right side is basically the right having the syntax. In right we are using rjust function. So syntax is the string dot rjust width and the fill character. It's almost same, just the function name is different. So the are just having also two parameters, and width we have to give in for a string, and if width less than or equal to the length of the string, original string is written, and fill character is optional, and if we are not providing the fill character, the space would be the default one. Okay, so we are considering the same, that hello python, and in the txt we are just putting rjust method. Okay, so what happened in this, we are providing the total text alignment is whatever the length, desired length you want, and what exactly the character you want to fill in it. So here also the hash symbol, when we are going to run it, it will give the same. The right hand side would be the text side and the remaining spaces whatever are left is filled with the fill character, whatever the character we can give, whatever we desire to give, that's only. The next one would be the center. In a center we having a center function only, and the syntax is the string dot center width and the fill char. The center method takes two arguments, the width and the fill character. The width would be the length of the string with padded character, or fill character is the padding character. Okay, here is that the total length where we want alignment we have to give here, and the character we want to fill it, and here it is mentioned as well. If fill character is optional, if you are not providing, space would be the default argument. So when we are going to run it, it will automatically consider the text one to be in a center, and the left and right hand side would be the fill character, so we can fill like that. And for the next, we saw the condition that if width is less than or equal to the length of the string, the original string is returned. So in for this case, I'm assuming the length less than this. The total length is this 5 and this 6 and one is space. So it's around 12. So I'm considering the less width so that we can check that condition as well. So if I am putting that, we are getting only the text, and it mention as well if the width is less than or equal to the length of the string, the original string is written. So that's in our case as well. We are getting only the string, original string. So we can try with right just also. We are providing here the less width so that we can check the less condition as well, less than or equal to. Okay, and we can do it here 12 as well. Total one is 12 now. Then also the string is coming. Okay, and we can try with center as well, the same thing. If we are providing the less amount where the string is coming. Okay, so we are providing the less, so that's where it's coming in the left hand side. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you everyone.